Hello बच्चों, welcome back to question number 38. Question is just like question number 37 and 36 because in that question they are again saying कि we have to taken out some water quantity of given ratio because percentage is also a fractional form, it is also a ratio. Then what is that ratio? You can say 25% is your acid. That means remaining out of 100 because total liquid have to be equal to 100. That means remaining 75 should be equal to water. Okay. Now let's take a ratio of that. It will become 1:3. Okay, ji. Now let's put that value there. We have 1:3. ये क्या है बेटा आपकी रेशियो एंड वाटर की रेशियो है. After that, they are saying कि finally it will become what? Finally it will become 35. What is 35? 35 is your acid. That means remaining part is your water. Total is 100%. तो 100 में से आप उसको माइनस कर लो तो it will be 65. You can see easily by 5 से कट कर देते हैं ये 7 और ये 13. You will get 7:13. This is your final ratio of sorry, a final ratio of your acid and water. Now what they have given initially there is 21 liter of liquid. That means the total liquid, what that means, acid plus water initially, that means 1 unit plus 3 unit, that is equal to 4 unit, that will be equal to 21. And what they are asking about, they are asking about the concentration change of water. Concentration change in water is 13 and 3, राइट बेटा. तो ये आप निकालोगे, इट विल कम्स आउट टू बी रोंग. ना वो क्यों भाई रोंग आने का रीजन ये होगा बेटा कि यहाँ पे जो एसिड है बेटा इट इज कांस्टेंट. दिस इज ए कॉमन मिस्टेक. हर कोई बच्चा कॉमन मिस्टेक कर रहा होगा. एसिड हैव टू बी कांस्टेंट. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा बेटा, इसको सेम बनाना पड़ेगा. जब तक आप इसको सेम नहीं बनाओगे तब तक आपका आंसर कभी भी राइट आ ही नहीं सकता है. तो आप क्या करोगे बेटा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नाउ आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, एसिड को सेम बनाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एसिड की वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हुई है. दिस इज द ओनली ट्रिक, बैलेंसिंग फर्स्ट फॉर्म. आप रेशियो एंड प्रोपोर्शन में वीडियोस देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे आप 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, इट विल बिकम 7:21, that is 7:13. Balancing form of ratio, you can watch the video in ratio and proportion playlist on Mocopedia. Now let's see what is the total. Now total will become 28 unit and this is equal to 21. 1 unit will be equal to 21 divided by 28. You can say 7374, 3/4. Now what you need this gap, and this gap is equal to 8 unit, right? Then 8 unit will be equal to beta 3/4 multiply 8. You can say this on 2 and 3 to the 6. Any 6 liter is your answer. That is option number first बच्चों जो इस क्वेश्चन में बन रहा होगा. तो by using balancing form you can get the answer without doing any calculation, because calculation always take time but simplification will not take time.